Hello guys, my name is Mehul Sharma. I want to welcome you in my channel Political Enthusiast. Here I will talk about the political events happening within India and outside India. So today we will discuss about whether China is responsible for supporting rights and protest in America. So in America, from many days, protest is going on because a man called George was killed in the custody of police. So people are protesting against Trump administration over this issue. So here I will discuss about my perception why I feel China is supporting or aiding protest and rights in America. First, I I like to point out that why China is doing so. If China is supporting or aiding rights, aiding rights in America, then why they are doing so? So first, they want to cover up their actions in Hong Kong because what they did in Hong Kong, they want to show to the world that we are not alone. America is also doing the same. So America, you don't have any right to criticize us because we are doing the same. So I believe that's why they are doing this. They are aiding or they are aiding and supporting protest and rights in America. Second, I feel that they want to dethrone America President Donald Trump because he's going very hard on America. He's going very hard on China since last 2 years. So, and Trump has also promised to impose sanctions on China over corona outbreaks. So they want to dethrone Trump because in September there is presidential election in America. So they want to elect Joe Biden. China wants to elect Joe Biden. The reason behind this is because Joe Biden is pro-China. So I'm to emphasize on this statement why Joe Biden is pro-China because in a statement of Joe Biden in 2010 when he was a vice president that the positive development of China is not only good for China but also good for America. Secondly, in 2017, Joe Biden also said to Trump that why he is going so hard on China. They will not eat our lunch. They are not such a bad folks. From this statement also we can learn that yes, Joe Biden is pro-China. Thirdly, I'm to emphasize on this statement by saying that son of Joe Biden, Hunter Biden, was elected as a sinecure in a Chinese company in 2017. A sinecure is a position who gets financial benefits from the company. So that's why I am saying that yes, that Joe Biden is pro-China. Second, there is secondly, I want to say that yes, China is supporting because just like I want to explain this my statement by example. Like in India, when riots happen, like many rights, many communal rights happens in India. So they are generally aided by ISIS because they want to disrupt Indian harmony and Indian atmosphere. So that's why the China is doing the same thing. They want to pressure America because they want that America shouldn't interfere in their internal matter of Hong Kong. So they will come up with the statements like that America is also doing the same, then they don't have right to rebuke us. So here I want to conclude my point. Thank you for listening to it.